Let us introduce single digit addition to our little ones. Now what you will need for this is digits with dots on one side and number on the other side. So I have made some numbers with dots on one side and number on the other side. Okay, this is what you will need. Then a few manipulatives, because as I have already told you that kids understand better when they visualize. Yes, so here these are the pista shells which are, I have colored it blue, and a few of them which I have colored red. Okay, so use either pista shells or any seeds or cubes as manipulatives. Now I have taken here the first number, that is 3 plus 4 is equal to what? What is the answer for 3 plus 4? Okay, so now what you can do here is, you know that the other side you have the dots, right? So you can tell the kids to take the shells as per the number of dots. So you have 3 dots here, so you will take 3 shells, 1, 2 and 3, plus 4. So I'll take 4 red shells, 1, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 red shells. So what is the total now? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer is 7. Right? Now here what you can do is, you can add to this certain terms. Now for example, your number 3 is addend 1. Number 4 is addend 2. And the answer to addition, is your sum. Now let the kids observe that addend 1 and addend 2 are always smaller compared to the sum. Or we can say that the sum is always greater than addend 1 and addend 2. Okay, so addend 1 3, see 3 is smaller compared to 7, addend 2 4 is smaller compared to 7. So these numbers will be always smaller compared to the sum. So we say that the sum is the king. Henceforth, let them understand that the sum is always the greater number compared to addend 1, addend 2, and hence he is the king here. Okay, so 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now here the kids are able to see the number, again the dots, they're able to count. Yes, plus 4, they know the sign is plus, and this is equal to sign. Again we can introduce that equal to sign means the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 3 plus 4 is 7, and that is the 7 what you get on the right hand side should be equal. Okay, so this is how they understand when they do it hands on. Now let's go to the next question, where we'll give the addend 1, which is 5. Okay, addend 1 is 5, and we don't know what is addend 2, but the answer to this is 8. So we have given the answer. Okay, so 5 plus dash is equal to 8. We know what is the addend. The addend is 5. Addend 1 is 5. We don't know what is addend 2. And we know the sum is 7. So now let us see. We know there are dots on the other end. How many? 5. So I'll take 5 shells, pista shells. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, so I've taken 5 pista shells plus dash. I don't know what is my addend 2. I don't know how many shells I need to place here, but I know my answer is 8, right? So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So how many pista shells I'm supposed to add here so that I get my answer 8? So 5, I know this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let me take red shells now so that the kids will be able to differentiate between what is addend 1 and addend 2. So this is 5 and now I add 6, 7 and 8. So I added 3 pista shells so that my sum is 8. Okay. Now my sum is the king because my sum is always greater compared to addend 1 and addend 2. So which number I need to add here? I need to add here number 3. See, 3 pista shells and this is number 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So initially we did when we knew both addend 1 and addend 2. Second sum was we knew the addend 1 but we were not knowing what is addend 2. It was a question mark, and this is how with the help of pista shells they could find out addend 2. Now let's go to another question where your addend 1 is a question mark. You don't know what is your addend 1. Your addend 2 again is a question mark. You don't know what is your addend 2. But you know your answer is 5. Okay. So you know your sum is 5. So now how do we do this? How will you introduce this to the little ones? You know your answer is 5. That is sum is 5, which is your king. Now you know that these two numbers will definitely be smaller compared to 5. So what you do is you can start with 1 pista shell. You can start with 1 here. So you want your answer to be 5. I've taken 1 shell here, and how many I add to the second here for addend 2? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So my addend is 1 and my addend 2 is 4. So 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Yes, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Now I can also have many possibilities for this. One is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. What would be the next? Next, what I can do is I can have here, first I had 1, right? Now I'll take 2. So I have 2 here, and here I will have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So my next possibility is 2 plus 3. So my addend 1 is 2. My addend 2 is 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. What could be the next possibility? The next possibility could be, first I had 1 here, now I have 2. Now what I can do is I can have here 3 pista shells. 3 here and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 pistachio shells, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Yes. What can be the other possibility? The other possibility could be, I can take here 4 pistachio shells. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 5. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. What can be the other possibility? The other possibility could be 5 plus 0 5, and there is no number here, that means 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So this way you will be able to take as many sums as possible where you have added 1 and added 2 and you have to find out the sum. You have added 1 but the addend 2 is missing and you have the answer. You have both the addend 1 and addend 2 both missing and you have the answer. So what are the possibilities to get that answer? So after introducing addition of one digit number, we can take the next step of teaching them addition of two digit number.